Hi, this is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is about solving polynomial equations under Mathematics 10. So let us have our example number 1, and this is x plus 4 equals 3. Let us write our solution here, and then let me just copy the given, and that is x plus 4 equals 3. Our goal here, remember, is to have x only at the left side of the equation. So we have here x. And then what we are going to do to positive 4 is to transpose it at the right side of the equation. Then it will become negative 4 because any number or variable or terms that you are going to transpose will definitely change its sign. So if it is positive, then it will become negative. If it is negative, then it will become positive. So in this case, positive 4 will become negative 4. So we have here x equals 3 minus 4, that is negative 1. Why? Because we have here two different signs, positive 3 and negative 4. Positive and negative numbers, if you're going to combine them, you have to subtract the numbers. So 3 minus 4 is 1. And then copy the sign of the larger number, which is negative. So our answer here is x equals negative 1 for example 1. Let us have another example. So for example number 2, we have here 5x minus 10 equals 8. Let us have our solution here. Let me just copy the given. So that is 5x minus 10 equals 8. And then our goal here is to have x only at the left side of the equation. So therefore, we will be having 5x at the left side only. And then we have to transpose negative 10 to the right of the equation. It is negative. When being transposed, it will become positive. So it will become 8 plus 10. And then after that, we have to simplify the right side of the equation, that it will become 5x equals 8 plus 10, that's 18. And then remember our goal, it is to have x only at the left side of the equation. So therefore, we have to divide both sides by the numerical coefficient of x for us to remove the number beside it. So over 5 and over 5, so cancel. So x equals 18 over 5. Since this is an improper fraction, meaning it is not simplified yet, we have to simplify it. But how? And why is it improper? It is improper because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So in this case, if it is an improper fraction, you have to change that into a mixed number by dividing the numerator and denominator. So 18 will be your dividend and 5 will be your divisor. So 18 divided by 5, that's 3. 3 times 5, that's 15. 18 minus 15, that is 3. So now we are going to change this into a mixed number. Your quotient here, which is 3, will serve as your whole number. And your numerator here, which is also 3, will serve as your numerator. And then your divisor here, which is 5, will be your denominator. So we have here 3 and 3 over 5. So meaning x is equal to 3 and 3 over 5. This is the final answer for number 2. Let's have another example number 3. So we have here x squared plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. So let me just write our solution here, and then let me just copy the given. So that is x squared plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. So you have to factor this out. How? Um, Focus first on the third term. So that is positive 2. You have to think of a number that when you multiply by another number, the answer is the third term, which is positive 2. And then when you add those numbers again, it will become positive 3. So what numbers are we going to use? What are the factors of 2? We can use 1 and 2, right? Because 1 times 2 is 2. We meet the first condition. How about when we add 1 and 2? 1 plus 2, that is 3. So we also meet the second condition. So therefore, this will be included in our factors. So let's prepare two parentheses here. And and then um we will be writing positive 1 here and positive 2 since they are both positive number. And then for x squared, we will just expand this, meaning it will become x and x. So we have here x's, two x's. So we will be writing the first x here and the second x here. But this is not the final answer yet. It is because there's still a number. It is because that we can still get the value of x from here. So that is x plus 1 equals 0. Kindly equate both factors to 0. So that would be x equals transpose positive 1 to right side. It will become negative 1. And transpose positive 2 to right side, then it will become negative 2. So our values of x is negative 1 and negative 2. You can label it also as x sub 1 and x sub 2. So that's it for our topic. I hope that you have learned something. If you have questions and queries about us, the honors tutorial, kindly contact us via FB page. Thank you and God bless.